my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my brother
my brother
and sister.
and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am proud of its
its rich
and respected.
and varied heritage.
And children, please
I shall always strive
to worthy of it.
to be worthy of it.
I thank my parents,
I shall respect my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and elders.
and elders.
I thank everyone
I shall treat everyone
with courtesy
with courtesy
to my country
to my country
and my people,
and my people.
and place my devotion
I place my devotion
in their well-being
in their well-being
and prosperity.
and prosperity along
Bless my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Thank you.